Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you what I got the mail. Apex Funding sent me some merch due to being top 100 trader in March. And today we also took a winning today. So let's open this up and see what we got. Yeah, so we just got a thank you note from Apex saying they're glad we're working together. And also the sweater that I ordered from them, a black one, even it says Apex Funding and the bull sign. So remember, I always stream every day, and we took this live trade with the whole chat. Today I forgot to stream, but I did stream on my Discord, so we did take a winning, and all our accounts were green. We took only green, like always, guys. Using order flow, supply and demand, and with my conviction using a couple other stuff too. So you guys want to learn how to properly trade, you can follow me and be a top 100 trader in Apex too. Show you guys what execution I took. So we got in over here, took some shorts. So I got in, a little bit of drawdown, nothing much. And just pushing our way instantly. We were not even that much in the market. And we just got out and made money, like always. Less than, what was 20 minutes in the market and I already made money? It's that easy for me, guys. Come on.